In this video, you're going to see something about the LibreOffice Writer software. It is a word processing software wherein you can draft different kinds of letters. And let us see some of the basic features of this particular software. So I've already copied some content and I paste it in this document. And let us say I want to give some name to this particular letter, a title. So I add the title as open and open educational resource. Okay. Now if you want to make this content, this title bold, I just have to click on this particular button. I can increase the font size. I can make it 18 size. I can make it 20 size. I can increase it. I can decrease it. Let us say I want to center align this particular title. So these are the alignment buttons here. You've got the left aligned, center aligned, right aligned, and justified. So let us say I want to make it center aligned. I want to change the color of this font. I can give it a red color. You can underline this particular text. Okay. And let us say you want to remove this numbering and you want to add the bullet points, which you can do. If you want to add the numbering, you can again click here. You can remove the numbering by clicking it here again. Okay, so these are the basic features of this particular software. Now let us say you want to add a table, which you can do by clicking the table menu, insert table. It is asking how many columns and how many rows I want. Let us say I want 4 columns and 3 rows. I say insert. The table gets inserted. Let us look at some of the menu options available here on the top. We have the file menu, wherein you can do a lot of things here. You can create new documents, new spreadsheet programs, new presentation. You can open existing file. You can save this particular file. You can save as and give it some other name. You can export this file as a PDF file. You can edit the document. You can copy, you can paste. Of course, there are a lot of shortcut keys available for doing that. You have the view menu, where you can change the different format of the document. You can insert page breaks. You can insert an image. Let us say you want to insert an image somewhere here. So I bring the cursor here. I click on insert image, and let us say I select some image. So you can, so it does not have any space for, so let us say I want to add this image in the center. Okay, so you have insert option, you got format menu, wherein you can format the text. Most of these options are available in the toolbar itself. You can align your text. You can add bullet points, numbering points. table option is there. You can spell check your entire document. Of course, the mail merge wizard is available here in LibreOffice Writer. And this particular LibreOffice is of the version 5.1.4.2, which is the latest as of July 2016. And let us see how to use a spreadsheet program. So I click on File, New and Spreadsheet. It opens LibreOffice Calc, which is a spreadsheet program of LibreOffice. So let us say that I want to add the marks of my students. So the registration number, I give it here. Then I enter the marks of, let us say, physics. Enter the marks of chemistry. For that I add a column. To enter, let us say, max marks, I give another column heading. Okay. Now let us say the registration number starts with STD01. Now you can drag the fill handle, so it will automatically fill all the remaining series. I can make this particular text bold. I can increase the font size. So let us say I want to make it center aligned. I click here. I would like to have all the columns center aligned, so I click here. Now I add some of the marks obtained by the students. I'll stop it here. I will delete all this. Okay, so let us add some random marks. I'm entering just to illustrate the things which you can do in Excel. Sorry, it's not Excel, it's LibreOffice Calc. Excel is a Microsoft spreadsheet software which is not free, it is a paid software. And LibreOffice Calc is basically a free and open source software. So I add random numbers. Okay. Now let us say you want to add borders to this table, or let us say you want to add borders to the entire table. Okay, the borders have come. Now let us say I want to make a chart, so I select this entire table. I click on the insert menu and there's a chart option here. So by default this will add the column chart. So let us say I want this chart. You can select whatever chart you want. You can have a bar chart, you can have a pie chart. Okay, all those different charts are available. And so let us say I want to have a column chart. I say finish. So you can see is quite a powerful tool wherein you can add charts and analyze your data. Let us look at some of the options available here. Okay, all the formatting options are available. You can insert image, different kinds of shapes. Now let me delete this. I can sort this particular column in increasing or decreasing order, so sort ascending, so it will extend the selection. So you can see the entire mark is sorted in ascending order based on the max column. You can see the entire columns are rearranged accordingly. Similarly, you can add filters. You have to click on auto filter, and let us say I want to find out all the students who have scored the top 10 people, or let us say I want to find out all the students who have scored only 4 marks. So you find that there are 2 people having roll number STD 14 and STD 15. These 2 people have scored only 4 marks in max. So all those things you can do in by setting a filter in Excel. And if you want to delete a particular column, let us say I want to delete this max column, and here you got a delete column option. If you want to delete one row, so this is the option here. You click on this particular button, the delete row is deleted. You can insert a column to the left. Let us say I want to insert a column in between physics and chemistry, so you can do it in this manner. That's the basic thing which you can do in Excel, and you can export this particular file as a PDF file. Thank you very much.